Hello, everybody. Hello, everybody. CJ Compton here at Lake Street. Here in Grass Lake, Michigan, we have a train coming. Check it out. Roll it. This is a eastbound train. This is Amtrak number 352. Amtrak number 355. I will not be seeing today because it is running an hour late again. Well, I don't know if it's usually this one that was an hour late last time. I think it was Amtrak number 352. But I want to give you all a notice is that this upcoming Sunday on March 8th will be my last time here filming trains. But I am going to pause the camera here for now. Amtrak is only a couple miles away, but I can pause the camera here for now. All right, I'm back. What I mean is that I will be back here on Sunday, but I will not be back here after that. Because I want to be on this main line, but I want to be between Albion, Michigan, and Michigan City, Indiana. So I don't want to expect coming back here after Sunday is over. But today is not Sunday, so let's not worry about it right now. But like I said, I will be back here on Sunday. Hopefully I do see 2 Amtrak trains. This is the only one I am catching today because this one is only running about 30 minutes late. The other one is running about an hour and 20 minutes late. So this is the only one I will be seeing. I will be in Lawton here very soon. I don't know when. I will let you all know when my grandma gives me the okay to go. When my grandma gives me the okay to go out to Lawton, I will let you all know. Like maybe not on the same day, but the next day or something. Because I don't know when I will be out in Lawton, Michigan, but we are having some thunderstorms out here right now. They're like in the west right now. I will be at Foley Road for a local train tomorrow and for 2 Amtrak trains. And then I will be back here on Sunday. Don't expect any more videos after this, right after Sunday, February 8th. Not February 8th, March 8th, my bad. We are already way past February, my bad. I meant March. I do not want you all to expect any more videos after Sunday, March 8th here at this location. Like I said, I want to be between Lawton and Michigan City, Indiana. Not Lawton and Michigan City, between Albion, Michigan and Michigan City, Indiana. Like I mentioned, I will be getting a local going through tomorrow, just not here. But I will be back here on Sunday, March 8th. And then I will not be back here again. Unless I say something else. The signal here is not on yet, but it should be on here very soon. It departed Jackson at 7:13 p.m. The current time is 7:23 p.m. It should be here in any minute now. If not, we should be getting a signal coming on here any minute. Or here in any minute now. This is at signal number... This is at signal 65. This has been a lot of fun coming here at this location. I hope y'all are excited for more new videos at new locations. Coming up here very soon. I think I hear Amtrak, I'm coming. It's just that the signal has not came on yet. Yeah, I hear Amtrak number 352 coming. Yep. And all of my viewers on YouTube probably know that I am out here watching for trains. And this is one of them. Mostly Amtrak trains, but here goes the signal here any second now. There goes the signal. It just now turned on. It is red. And the other side is a green, but this side heading west is red. Here it comes. Roll it. Anyway, here it comes. Roll it. Alright, the signal here should be changing back to a green signal here any minute now, or in any second now, rather. It could be any minute now, I don't know. There goes the signal. It is not off yet, but it just went back to a green signal. That just means there is nothing else in the block. Like I said, that was Amtrak number 352. I did mention that I will not be back here after Sunday, March 8th of 2026. But that was Amtrak number 352. Amtrak number 352 starts out in Chicago, Illinois at the Chicago Union Station, heads east to Pontiac, Michigan, where it terminates. I did look up Amtrak number 355 for Jackson, and when I last checked, it was out near Troy or Royal Oak area, so I will not be here today for it. I will be at Fallahee Road for it, more than likely tomorrow, and get a good look at the signal here turning it off. If not, we have another train in the block, but I don't believe we have another one coming just yet. And I hope all of my viewers are very excited about new locations here very soon on this main line. Like I said, between Albion, Michigan and Michigan City, Indiana, very soon. I might only be here on Fridays, I don't know. But as of right now, I don't plan on coming back out here, but I will let you all know if that changes. And there goes the signal, by the way. Alright, anyway, on this Anyway, on this Friday, March 6th of 2026, on this Friday, March 6th of 2026, from CJ Compton on YouTube. If you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel and give my videos a thumbs up. That will help my channel out a lot. I might only be here on Tuesdays and Fridays, but the weekends I would like to be between Albion, Michigan, and Michigan City, Indiana. But anyway, the current time is 7:30 p.m. I am going to head home now. I know usually I am here for Amtrak number 355, but I'm not today. It is running an hour late and I need to get home. So maybe tomorrow and Sunday I will be back here, and hopefully I do catch 2 Amtrak trains. Oh yeah, don't forget to spring forward an hour on Saturday night. I believe daylight savings time is beginning. I don't think it ends. I believe it's beginning on Sunday, like Saturday night into Sunday. I am, like I said, I am going to head home now, so I guess that's it. So for what, I hope y'all enjoyed, and that is it. I hope y'all have a good night, everyone.